Do you know that your channel can be shadow banned without you knowing? Have you been getting low views, no subscribers, YouTube is not recommending your videos? Then this video is for you. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. So I came here today to share with you some experience that I had. Like in few weeks now, YouTube have not been recommending my videos. My views has drastically gone down. I was worried. I was checking what could happen to my channel because I took a break throughout December. I did not post any video, so I was worried about the whole thing. From so many views to 1 view, 2 view, like the thing was getting me mad. So I decided to check what could be happening on my channel. And I came across this video that said your channel can be shadow banned without you knowing. To be the reason of you getting low views, no subscribers, YouTube not recommending your video. Like, I was mad about the whole thing. So I found a solution. I came across one website like that where you can check everything about your channel, like whether your channel is shadow banned, how authentic your channel is, like everything, how your video is performing, everything you need to know about your channel, whether your channel is in a good position or not, whether you are having shadow banned or not, your analytical, like everything you need to know about your channel. So I'm going to share the website for you and show you the way you can go about it, how you can walk through, and how you can fix whether your channel is shadow banned or not. So if you find this video interesting, please stay tuned for more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, and please subscribe, comment, and ask your question. I'm always here to answer you. Bye. See you in my next video, and watch out for the tutorial. Go to Chrome or any browser of your choice and type in elusenate.com/YT checker. It will bring you to this page where you will see Elusenate. If you want to know about everything about Elusenate website, you click on the first one, and there is also YouTube ads, but we are not looking into that today. So we click on YouTube monetization checker. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be sharing my profile to show you where my problem is from. When you click on it, it will ask you for your channel link. Just go back to your channel, click on your profile, and you will see a link in front of your profile. Click share, and you will copy the link and go back to your browser. You can as well do this before starting all this process. So after that, put in the link and type in the number that will be showing you on your screen, and everything about your channel will pop out. So as you can see, I have a problem where you can see channel monetization is off. You come to channel authenticity status. As you can see, some videos on this channel are non-original, and this is where I'm having issues because I posted one video like that is not mine, and all I did was to delete that video. So I will not start having issue when it's time for monetization. So this is where you will see everything about your channel, the region where your channel is restricted, your location tags, how many subscribers you have. Like if you scroll down, you also see whether your channel is shadow banned. So always check this. I normally advise to check this at least 2 times a month to know when your channel violates YouTube rules. So guys, this is the end of this video, and if this video helps you, please subscribe and stick around for more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.